Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video just got my red shelf up that I just got actually from Facebook Marketplace. Bought it for around $150 USD, so a lot cheaper than if I were to buy it at Home Depot, thank goodness. But you guys can see I have placed my PDU, network switch, did some cable management just so I can have this nice and clean setup for mining, just, you know, a bunch of miscellaneous stuff on this shelf. For anyone that doesn't know, I have designated this area now for just small little devices or even bigger devices that really don't take that much power compared to, you know, maybe GPUs, depending on how many you have, or ASIC miners, as you all know. So I have designated areas now I am going to have for my GPUs. My octominers are going to be over here, and then if we walk over here, this whole area is designated for my ASIC miners, which I am completely capped out in power now. You guys can see 24, 26 amps, 25 amps. Right, pretty much maxed out here. 240 volt, 30 amp circuits, 3 of them. So this area, I am ready to now place some little miners that I have just sitting all over my house. I think I should just place them here. I have like little tiny Bitcoin solo miners. I got the, I guess, iPolo X1. Takes this laptop brick to power it. Actually, one thing I'm curious about is if this can do 240 volt, and yes it can, 100 to 240 volt. Now a problem I may have is actually the connector, because I only have a single 30 amp 240 volt circuit here, and these PDUs take C13 plugs. I don't have like the NEMA plugins, and I just realized I have a couple of these adapters from Bees Crypto Mining .ca. So this is like a specifically C14 to a NEMA 1515R cable. So this is converting, yeah, typical, you know, 120 volt North American plug into a, I guess into a 240 volt essentially, if the power supply supports it or not. Thank you, Bees Crypto Mining. This is gonna help me a lot actually. So thank you for sending me 4 recently. So you know what, we're gonna try this right now in today's video. I just wanna plug it in here. Okay, so let me go get that X1 and place it somewhere on the rack here. Be right back. Totally destroyed my leg. Thank you, Mining Cave. Nice and sharp. That's my fault though, I was walking by, bleeding a lot. Okay, so got it on the shelf. I was actually just thinking now, maybe I should replace these wire shelves, this wire part here, with like a piece of wood, like plywood across, maybe each one, so that's nice and flat. Anyways, let's plug this X1 in, and let's see if this adapter works, and we'll see if there's any smoke. Okay, yeah, we got power to that. Now the orange Pi connected to it. Man, I really don't like this X1. It requires so much. But anyways, it has power to USB. Thank God. The Eaton PDU that I have here has USB to power this orange Pi. So I thought that was pretty funny. All right, press the on button. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I don't smell any smoke. I don't see any smoke. It's probably going to take a bit to ramp up and start mining. Alright, anyways, looking good. This is looking good, guys. I also need to bring my CPU rigs over here as well and have them, I don't know, laid out somewhere on this shelf. So that's going to be a lot of fun. But there are a few other things I need to bring over. Okay, I'm going to bring over these little Mars landers. These are from bitcoinmerch.com. I got 2 of them here. And we're gonna see if these are actually 120 volt capable. And let's see. Yes, it says 100 to 240 volt. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that should work. Okay, got the 2 Mars landers up. I also have one of these USB hub with the 3 Gecko Science USB miners. I've been having some weird issues when I did have it connected to one of the Mars landers. I just ordered a Raspberry Pi 4. I'm gonna try to hook it up to this and see if we can then solo mine Bitcoin that way through a typical Raspberry Pi. But guys, this is working good on 240 volt, obviously with these little C14 to NEMA plug adapters. Okay, this is looking good. What else do we need to turn on? Let me check. Okay, actually I have one of these Cumulus nodes, I guess a Flux node, that I bought a while back from 2 YouTubers. It was DJ Mines and another gentleman, but I should probably have this on as well, and I just realized I did take this power cable for my Ice River. So, okay, well this is gonna just stay here for now. I'll actually be having my Flux nodes on my servers anyway, so I don't think I need to really set that up. So maybe I'll convert that computer into something else, this little mini PC. You guys let me know, is there anything out there that we could utilize this little HP Pro Desk for something? Let me know down below. Alright, looking around, I don't think I have anything else here. Okay, I believe I have my Evergreen miners upstairs. Let me go get those. Okay, found my Evergreen miners upstairs, brought them down here. Works on 240 volts. I'll show you guys the cables back here. Was able to take out the existing power cable, but the other end was able to put the C13, C14 power cable easily into these laptop power style bricks for the Evergreen, so that's good. And then I did find a couple mini miners. I bought these library ASIC miners from D-Mining on Twitter. This is a Gold Shell LB1. This is a Gold Shell LB box. I haven't done a dedicated video on these, but I was only able to get the LB box going because it's a simple 6-pin for power and Ethernet. But this LB1 requires a 6-pin, but then there's a USB port here. So I don't believe this one has Wi-Fi, and this needs to be connected to a PC of some sort because it needs software in order to run this little guy. So that I will do later. It's gonna stay up here for now. I did find a Gold Shell ETH Mini Wi-Fi from upstairs as well. Brought it down here, running the Veteran Miner PCIe cables. Working really good. I love these red ones here. It's perfect, 6-pin to 6-pin for this guy here. I'm using the Wi-Fi and not the Ethernet. But yeah, guys, look at this. This is looking good. My miscellaneous mining shelf of a bunch of different types of little tiny products. Yeah, finally, can have it all in one place. I literally had all this stuff everywhere and it was bothering me. So what a good way just to have everything into one place. You guys let me know what you think. I did also find a Linksys router. This is a WRT 1900, and I believe this is flashed with OpenWRT. And actually, I was thinking of having this whole rack, all the stuff here that's essentially going to be wired to go through this router, which has a VPN support on here, which I have connected, I think, to like PIA, private internet access, or NordVPN, one of those ones. I have it connected through this. So I was thinking for all of my devices here to essentially go through this router, but actually most of the devices will be plugged into this Cisco switch, and I'll have an Ethernet cable going to one of the LAN ports here. And then this WAN port is going to be the one that goes from into up there into my main networking setup. So let me know if you guys want to see a video on this guy to have a bit of like isolation, separation from your main network and all the traffic that is going out from, you know, all these devices, which could be bad, which could be nefarious in some way. No, I'm not saying that they are, I'm just saying just in case, that they'll all be isolated within this router and the internet traffic will go through a VPN. Let me know what you guys think. I think that's it, guys. I think that's all I have in terms of these little types of miners. I can't find anything else in my house here. I do have some smaller ones in my other crypto mining basement, but I think I'm gonna leave those there. Anyways, if you guys have any other, you know, little miners or something that you guys want me to check out, I can do that, and eventually it'll be placed on this shelf. But for the next video, I'm going to prepare to bring my CPU rigs onto my shelf here. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to place them. Probably a few at the top here and a few on this part of the shelf here. I think it's going to be a good 3 or 4 CPU rigs that I'm going to have eventually on this shelf. All right, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Love this red shelf. Love it.